Sup, little teeny tiny turtle? Would you like to go back out there? Back out to the lake. I'm pretty sure you would. But you're not going to. How does that make you feel, little turtle? Does that piss you off? Does it upset you? You seem kind of mad, little turtle. But you're a badass, man. Yeah, that's right. Look at that camera. Look at that. Look at that. Show me your beautiful side. Yeah, there you go. Show me your beautiful side. Just don't bite me. Because you're crazy. He's just like, man, I'm not going to bite you. Oh, shit. He's going crazy. Oh, shit, man. This nigga's going to try to bite me. I'm putting back. Man, that nigga's crazy.